Hi, teacher. This is my speaking evidence about my project. My name is Kevin Ian Silva BOJORQUEZ. And because I am a dual student, I'm going to present everything that I developed and new knowledge that I had in the months before, nearly 2 months supporting the area of maintenance and projects. Well, for an introduction, since January 26, I have stayed in Sherwin-Williams Texcoco plant supporting the area of maintenance and projects. If you don't know what doing this company or this plant, this company produce different types of painting and resin for sale. In specific, the painting is for a car. So I decided to join to this company because I will, or I thought that I will learn a lot of things about or support my profession. What happened during the first week? When was my first week, the engineer responsible told me a lot of things that I should be careful because this company is a dangerous company for the material used in the process. So I had to learn fast these things. The things are use of a specific uniform and wearing a helmet is a core history. But the first week I was walking under a machine and one thing hit me my face, but where I was wearing a helmet, so don't pass me nothing. Other things, I don't use any electronic component in the plant. So I don't use cell phone, watch, headphones inside the plant because this element can be react with the resin, the solvents, or the gas in the place. Yeah, and the last thing that the engineers told me is be careful all times and don't make dangerous actions that see that normal actions. Is a good tip for me. So upcoming develop projects. So once I had the basic knowledge of these basic things, I could support the engineers in the project that they have. The projects that we will develop can be, for teacher can be, firstly, make sketches according to what the company has in each process. Yeah. Analyze process to support process optimization. Once I see and make the process in a paper, I can identify why the process can be more easy, more be fast, and more be safety for the person or the worker. The other thing has make peeping and instrument diagrams. These instruments or diagrams are made of 8 processes that use in the creation of paint or resins. Yeah. Other projects are support the creations of PHI. What is a PHI? PHI is a process hazard analysis. This analysis is to decrease the risk of the process or if each actions can do it or that the worker do in the process for a painting or for a resin. And the last project for this moment are the design and create a painting filling machine. This machine is a future project around October. For this month is not a project. Well, the first month working. During January and February, I was working on the creation of an drawings only of what was in the company. Yeah. For example, what drawing like this? I don't see. Yeah, don't see, but it's like this. These drawings are based about the process and what is in the process in the company. For example, the types of bulb, sensor, pipes, pumps, and more. But before, I learned to identify different types and instrument involved. This is because some elements are same uh, uh, in the process, are more difficult to see the difference between. Yeah, so I learned firstly to identify a specific type. For example, in this case can be see a sensor or then can be see the temperature or pressure, and these are valves, the different types of valves that I can see in the company. For example, these are elements. Other elements can found in the work or in the plants are um, um, check bulb, butterfly bulb, pumps, sensor, paint mills, pipes, indicator, manometers, transmitter, um, filters, um, and more. So I think that I can recognize nearly 95% of this element. The second month working. During February and March, I was working on the creation of CAD drawings of the sketches previously made. These CAD drawings was made in the software AutoCAD because it's the software that the company gave me. So once I have this sketch, I can make the electronic drawing. Firstly, I was learning how to respect corporate norms and standards. The company gave me and work with a lot of things that all the corporate norms that I respect. For example, the identify the diameter of the pipes, put one number to each bulb, put one specific number to each sensor, to each mill, to each filter, to each pump. Yeah. What is the relevance of these drawings? These are important because we can understand better the process. The company only had in this moment with SOP. What is a SOP? SOP, what is standard operation process. This this SOP function with the future worker that understand the process. When you are a new worker, the company gave to this document. In this document, you can understand the process, but if you have the drawings, it's more easy to understand the process if you see the filters, the indicators, the pumps, and everything in the process, yeah? And this serve for the classify instrument. Why I need to identify or classify instruments? I will make a table with each element function, for example, bars function in the process. Yeah. With this table, you can find every instrument in every process in the plant. So if you have a element, for example, un filter that don't work, you can find in this table, and you can see the specific things, the diameter, the function, probably the form of the image for this element. It's more easy to, if you have that, you can search as similarly component. So other thing that is relevant is to improve the security of the process with the hazard process hazard analysis, PHA. We make these documents to decrease the risk in the process or the dangerous process for the workers. The last thing is to comply with the regulation. It's easy, it's only for regulation for the company. And the future months, these plans will be continuous develop, new ways, new things are inside in this list in the coming months. Yeah. So these projects are only for this month or for this time, but is common to this project don't be made and other projects added for the list. Yeah. So it's only that is the list that I have in this moment, the projects that I developed for this month. And this is only for me, teacher. Thanks for your attention and have a nice day.